Hi Skin Games. My name is Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 6 of our holistic category with Yoritzi. This week I want to highlight 3 key ingredients that have played a major role in Yoritzi's progress so far. The first is Squalane. Squalane closely mimics the skin's natural oils, which makes it ideal for reactive and acne-prone skin. It helps restore the skin barrier, lock in hydration, and prevent moisture loss without clogging the pores or triggering inflammation. When the barrier is supported, the skin can finally begin to heal instead of constantly reacting. Second is the Buckthorn Oil. This oil is rich in vitamins A and E and is incredibly effective at calming redness and supporting skin repair. It helps nourish compromised skin while reducing visible inflammation, which has been especially important for Yoritzi's erythema and dermatitis-prone areas. The third ingredient is Mandelic Acid. Mandelic Acid is a gentle Alpha Hydroxy Acid that addresses acne and congestion while being safe for sensitive and inflamed skin types. Because it penetrates the skin more slowly, it allows us to treat breakouts without compromising the skin barrier. Together, these ingredients allows us to treat acne, support barrier repair, and reduce erythema at the same time. This approach isn't about doing more, it's about doing what's right for the skin at the right time. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Toodaloo!